Hey everybody, it's Brian at Custom Classics. Here behind me we just got a really nice 72 Dodge Dart that somebody poured an awful lot of money into, all the way from painting the body to the way they set it up and the mechanicals on this thing. If you go to our webpage and look at the highlights of this car, there's a tremendous amount of work in it. When I look at this car and I see the attention to detail in the paint, the body, the urethane paint that's on this has been wet sanded and buffed to a real smooth high gloss. Nice fit and finish on the chrome, attention to detail on all the markers and everything, all the emblems, everything's been replaced, nothing's been reused. Nice clean trim, everything fits well, the car's gapped out, really nice. Those are things that I always pay attention to. They've got a really nice set of US mags on here, the custom wheels. I also like when you look at this thing, it's got some nice meats on the back of it. Some 305s, they mini tubbed it, they narrowed the rear end. It's got an 8-inch in there with the 391 gears in it, a nice posi setup in it. Nice deck lid spoiler as it should be. On the inside, same thing. Really nice, crisp, new interior. Did a nice job on the dash with a carbon fiber piece and updated gauges. Car's running 505 cubic inch motor. That's all been updated, aluminum heads. It's got a nice militant pan on it. You'll see as you look through the rest of the video, the underneath of this car, they put a lot of money into a lot of the hardware, along with the updated K-member on this car and the 4-link rear suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes on it, as well as adjustable coilovers all the way around. A vintage air blows nice, real nice aluminum radiator on there so we don't get this thing overheating, dual electric cooling fans. So it's really set up to run and drive. It's got a 3500 stall on a built 727 trans. So this thing is a thumper. When it gets out there in the streets, it's got a great stance, great color, just a really, really well done car. So check out the rest of the thing on the webpage. Dive through all the details that are there. I've breezed over quite a bit of it, but there's a lot to see and quite the value for where we've got this car priced. Look us up on all our socials, and thanks again for watching.